Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Milani Baked Blush in color Coralina. It has this perfect combination of coral with peachy and gold shimmery. I really love that color because it brings up life to my face. Whenever I'm doing my makeup, I feel alive again with this color. It's just perfect for my olive undertone skin. And I also like the fact that I can apply it over powder makeup or my liquid foundation. It adheres beautiful. I don't have to add too much. It's just the perfect pigmentation. And I like the fact that I can use it for a really natural makeup look. I use it as an eyeshadow, has a blush, has a highlighter, and it's just an amazing product. And that's my point of view.